out to see his brand new hockey net. Well, not new hockey net, but new to him. What do you see? Hockey. Yeah. Is that for you? That stick's kind of big. Oh. Do you see your new net? He's looking for a ball, probably. Andrew, come on, we'll get a ball.
You want a ball?
Yeah.
Daddy, get your ball.
Go show Mommy where your new net is. Yeah, is that your new hockey net? Yeah. Daddy get you a ball? Where does the ball go? Does the ball go right in the net? There's Dad. Okay. It's going to be hard for him with that stick is too big.
A little on the big side. Here, Daddy, help. Go like this. Andrew, hold like this. Yeah. Tight spot too. That's it. Yeah.
Right in the net. He doesn't like it on the grass.
You're going backwards now. You're opposite of the curve.
Oh, that stick is way too big.
Now you can cut it down a little bit more. Whoa!
Nice shot.
Go on the road.
It was a good deal. $5 special off Kijiji. Little Tykes.